All right, let's talk about one of the biggest questions we get after someone gets their KoreNRG system. How often should I use it? The short answer, every single day. The long answer, keep watching. KoreNRG is not a medication. It's energy for your cells. You don't just eat healthy once and expect to stay healthy forever, right? Same with light. You're dealing with damaged nerves, sluggish blood flow, cells that are starved for energy. That doesn't get fixed overnight. Here's what the science and experience tells us. 5 minutes per treatment area is the sweet spot. That's the optimal dosing window when you're using a high-powered device like this. KoreNRG delivers about 200 milliwatts per centimeter squared and inches away, which is a clinical dose. That means in 5 minutes, you're already delivering more than 60 joules of healing energy per centimeter. That's a lot. And it's right in the range shown to support nerve regeneration in medical studies. If you stay in one area too long, it's like overwatering one plant and forgetting the rest. Just like you wouldn't sunbathe for an hour on one cheek, we don't overdo it on one spot. 5 minutes per area is the sweet spot for deep nerve healing. Let's clear up a big myth around light energy. People ask me all the time, do I really need to use it for 5 minutes? Or they tell me they have a friend that maybe uses a light for just 1 minute a day. Here's the thing. Light therapy follows a dose response curve. Too little, you feel nothing. Too much, you can overload the system. But get it right, it becomes one of the most powerful healing tools you've ever used. KoreNRG puts out serious therapeutic power. Like I said, about 200 milliwatts per centimeter squared. That's clinical grade. So let's break down what your body is actually getting. 1 minute, about 15 joules per centimeter. 5 minutes, about 60 joules per square centimeters. Now for nerve regeneration, most studies show the sweet spot is between 10 to 60 joules per session, depending on how deep we're trying to reach. So if you're using it for a minute, it might help your skin, but it's probably not reaching the nerves buried under layers of fat, fascia, and muscle. 1 minute isn't enough to charge your phone, and it's not enough to recharge your nerves. 5 minutes per area, sweet spot for deep nerve healing. Optimal dosing would be 2 to 3 sessions per day per area. Space these sessions out at least 4 to 6 hours apart. Each session, still 5 minutes, but that allows cumulative energy delivery without overwhelming the tissue. It helps maintain consistent cellular activation and promotes deeper healing. Nerve tissue regenerates slowly, and consistency accelerates results. Think of it as brushing your teeth once a day. It works, but more is better. Because this isn't a drug, it's energy. And like watering a garden, it's not about flooding it once, it's about nourishing it every day. You've got the best light tech on the market. It penetrates deeper, delivers smarter, and now you know how to use it like a pro. So give your nerves what they have been missing. Turn it on, breathe, and most importantly, trust the process. This is your daily dose of repair from the inside out. Most people treat their feet, calves, spine, or hands, depending on where they feel symptoms. Light therapy is cumulative, meaning each session builds on the last. So whether it's pain, numbness, tingling, or just fatigue in your nerves, consistency is the key to change. You've got one of the most advanced healing tools in your hands. Use it daily. Your nerves will thank you.